Welcome back to another video, and today this one's kind of funny actually. So I was recently looking back at just some old books that I read, and one that I always recommend to people is The Richest Man in Babylon. So I decided to go look back through the rules of gold and see what would the richest man in Babylon think about this current stock market bubble. So this is going to be a little bit more of a simple video, a little bit more of a just a quick video that I wanted to show you guys for all you guys out there who haven't actually read the book yet. So the laws of gold. Law number 1, gold cometh gladly in increasing quantity to any man who will put not less than 1/10 of his earns to create an estate for his future and that of his family. So basically what they're saying is put at the very least, 1/10 of what you earn aside for the future. So that's good advice. That's not exactly what we're here to talk about today. Law number 2, gold laboreth diligently and contend for the wise owner who finds it profitable employment, multiplying even as the flock of the field. Gold finds its way to the wise owner. So you see that a lot of people can get a lot of money in their hands, but eventually the gold or the money, whatever you want to call it, finds its way to the wise owner. Interesting. Law number 3, gold clingeth to the protection of the cautious owner who invests it under the advice of men wise in its handling. So what do we see a lot of out there? Right now we see a lot of people who are speculating on crazy stuff like Bitcoin. People going all in Bitcoin, people going all in NFTs, people going all in on companies that they haven't researched, people going all in on penny stocks. We see a huge fervor out there, huge frenzy out there. People just throwing money at anything that they think is going to go up in price. We see a lot of that. They are violating the 2nd and 3rd law of gold. Okay. Law number 4, gold slippeth away from the man who invests it in business or purposes with which he is not familiar or which are not approved by those skills in its keep. So once again, it's saying gold slippeth away from people who essentially don't know what they're doing. You could even look at things like people who are going into e-commerce, people who are doing all these pyramid schemes, people who are doing all these scammers, Bitcoin scammers. A lot of these people, they're violating the 4th law of gold. Okay, so it's kind of funny to go back and read this during what I would call a stock market bubble or frenzy or whatever you want to call it. You're seeing a lot of people violating these laws. And these laws are as old as time, all right? These are just old proven principles. In the last one, number 5, gold flees the man who would force it to impossible earnings or who follow the alluring advice of tricksters and schemers or who trust it to his own inexperience and romantic desires in investment. So I just thought that this was kind of a funny one to share with you guys, just a quick video. We're seeing a lot of speculation out there. We're seeing a lot of speculators making a lot of money, and now suddenly they think that they can violate timeless principles, which is kind of funny, especially with the rotation that we saw. So anyways, a lot of what we see out there is people who are selling courses who say that the way to get $3 is to triple $1, right? When the reality is that the way to get $3 is to go out there and make $3. So anyways, hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. You guys are honoring the laws of gold because this stuff doesn't go away, okay? This time's different is the kiss of death. So this time's not different. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.